So, I know this isn't about pressure washing, but I'm going to use it because I have all these cracks in this driveway that has really tall grass, and my old weed whacker here is about FUBAR. So I went and got a new weed whacker, and I'm going to do a review on it, and I'll let you know about this review. I'm going to use it so I can get all the grass out of the driveway. I actually got a training coming up at this weekend, so I wanted to do the driveway so I can do some concrete cleaning on a driveway. I'm actually pretty excited. I got a couple houses we're actually going to go do, so we'll get in-field experience, and I'm also going to offer some more training. So if you want to look at my pressure wash live training, go to pressurewashhelp.com / I believe it's training or live training, and it's in-person training, and I will have it there. But I'm actually doing a review on this weed whacker and of how to put it together and everything. So it's a Craftsman 25cc weed whacker. I got it at Menards. I'll put a link down to it to Amazon for this exact weed whacker, and I'll open it up and you put it together here. So I have it out of the package here. This is actually a multi-head one, so you can change the heads out on it. So it's actually got a little clip right there. It's got where the actual driver is there. You come up here and you got to pull the little plastic piece out here, make sure it's facing down. I think this pops right in there. Tighten it down here so it can't come out. Next thing we're going to do is let's put the little guard on here. This helps keep you from running too much string, that kind of stuff. Take the little nut off here. What it does is it just slides over the little tab here, up through the hole. Put on my wing nut. And this head's pretty neat. Basically all you do is you cut little pieces of twine or your string that long, shove it in the hole, it comes out the hole there, shove it in the other hole here, shove it in there, shove it straight, it said, and it comes out there. Pull it tight, make sure it's tight there, and that's it. So there's that. Next thing we'll do is you're going to put the handle on. Get a long screwdriver. Take the screw out right here. See if that nut's going to stay in there or not. Alright, put it on there and put the screw back in there. Screw it in there. Tighten it up. We're good to go. They did send some extra pieces here for the extra twine. I like these types of head. I've had my last one was like that, basically, where you can just take it, shove it in, and go. The next thing is it is 2-cycle. I got the True Fuel. I don't use a lot of this stuff, and it comes with stabilizer and stuff, and that's why I like getting it. Fill it up here. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but like I say, I don't use a lot for like my chainsaws and that. I probably should weed eat a little bit more than what I do. Oh, don't do that, especially if you're in California. Alright. my lid on. See? We'll start it up here. So, pump that little ball there. Make sure it's on. Let's see. Just press 10 times. Do a little bit of your video over here, me use. Turn it off. Now, did you say I might have made the toad lose its home? Where'd he go at? Look, the toad had a home there. Right there, Mr. Toad. Hi, Mr. Toad. How'd you like weed eating? You did? I didn't like weed eating. You took my home. Ribbit, ribbit. Again, Jason Guyman here. I'll put a link down in the description for it. It works pretty good. If you like watching awesome pressure washing videos of awesome stuff getting cleaned, and I show you how to teach how to pressure wash in this video, is a pretty good playlist right here. See you in my next video.